everybody, welcome back to Hardy Boy Lifestyle. Today is the day. We're installing 6 Elements Turbo Inlet on my 2021 Hyundai Sonata Inline. Let's get to it. Just pull this up. There's 2 little notches in here. This connects from right down here. Now, for this, it's pretty simple. We push these 2 buttons here, we push in, and then pull this off. Same thing right here, 2 green buttons, push, pull off. Remember, the one with the PCV valve goes to the top, and the one without goes to the bottom. Just pull this right on out. A screwdriver, or I believe 8mm, should take these bolts off right here to disconnect all this, and then we have to work on these clamps right here. Yeah, I'm sorry, camera must not have been recording and missed me taking off the intake, but the intake is very simple and easy to take off. You could go to a previous video that I had posted installing it and see. So right here, I'm trying to get the clamp off the hose, so I can slide the hose back off of the turbo inlet. Use regular pliers just to squeeze the 2 ends together, which loosens up the clamp. You can slide it off the hose to try to connect. What I'm gonna try to do is, I think it might be easier if I take this piece off first. When I swing it up, then I can pull that hose off. And we'll just loosen up a little bit and then take the rest off with your hand. That way you won't end up losing the bolts down in the motor. So instead of using a short 10, if you could use a long 10, it'd probably be a little better for you to get in there. Alright, so once you get the screw out, there's a rubber piece, like a gasket that you don't want to lose. You gotta put that on the new one. Now, maybe you can just lift this up and around. There we go. To make it easier. And there we go. Got the stock went off. All right, so this is the stock one. This is the 6 element intake turbo inlet, I should say. I'm sorry. You can see the difference. So what I have to do now is
get some petroleum jelly to put on here, and then we're going to sit there and slide that back on that groove down there where the turbo is, and then we can mount it back on, and that way it seals nice and tight. And then it's putting everything back together. This install is not that bad. Pretty straightforward, simple tools, and should be done in a few minutes. This is the petroleum jelly that I had brought. Just, regular. Nothing too fancy. After I rub it in the groove, then carefully put the seal back on. Now we're going to take these, take one at a time out. I grabbed a 5. It's like a 5mm key. It's right in there. Tighten it in. Now, they recommend that we use like a piece of latex, like maybe part of a glove, so that I'm just going to tear a piece. We don't need a whole glove, just enough to put around, and then slide this on, and then see, it stays on, to help get it in there without dropping this down into the bay.
Yeah, I have to apologize ahead of time for you guys seeing my back. Usually I have one of those first person cameras on where you can see everything I'm doing, but I'm using a different camera, and I notice quite a bit it's showing my back. So I'm very sorry, and hope you enjoy the video.
I suggest doing it by hand first. Get a look, get the thread to catch, and then you can go ahead and adjust and put a ratchet on there. Slide this out. Forgot to put this back on. Alright, now we can connect that back in and line this all back up. So now everything is secure. Go ahead and tighten this all up. back in there. Remember, one with the PC valve up top, one with the green at the bottom. Okay, so now we have to reattach the hot pipe. Slide that back on. Actually, first this needs to go underneath. Slide the front on. Slide the back on. Make sure a lock is to make sure those pieces that we pulled and pushed up snap back in place. That's locked in. And that's locked in. Put the one bolt in, and it is all done. Pretty simple install. Alright, everything is back, secured, tight. So we're going to fire it up now. Tuned. You know, it was a pretty easy install, as you see. Thank you 6 Element for the design and the product. Looking forward to their downpipe that's coming out soon, and hopefully the blow-off valves will be in stock again and we can get those and install those. I'm still waiting on the boiler exhaust to get delivered. It's already been ordered, just waiting on it to come, and we're going to probably do the exhaust and the downpipe at the same time. It doesn't make sense to drop them twice. We can just do it all in one shot. So like, subscribe. I appreciate everybody that's been watching the videos and stay tuned to the next video. Take care and have a good weekend.